Hi all, welcome to another refurbishment video. Now this is an HP Elitedesk G1 small form factor. Now I've already done a video on the tower, so this is the small form factor. Now looking at the case, it's standard wedge case, and on the front it's got optical drive, USB 2 and 3 ports, headphone, microphone, socket ports. So let's move around the back. So looking at the back, left to right, we got a grill for case cooling, sort of, and then it's got video connectors, which we won't be using because we've got graphics card. It's got USB 3 and 2 ports, headphone, microphone, socket, and it's got the output for the video card, which I'll talk about when I get the case open. And on the right is the exhaust fan for the power supply. Look at the top. The good thing about these cases, as usual, there's just a latch which you can see at the top, which you lift up and pull away. So looking in the case, on the left is the power supply, and then further along is the graphics card, and to the right of that is the CPU cooler fan with the CPU underneath the heat sink. And looking further down on the left, we've got the optical drive, and to the right is the hard drive, and underneath there is the SSD drive. Now, for the purpose of benchmarking, because I'm going to be moving this PC on, I've got all the games and benchmark software onto a SSD, which is sitting loosely between the graphics card and the CPU cooler, leaving just the operating system on the graphics card underneath the hard drive. So the spec is a i5-4570 CPU, which is socket 1150. It's got 14 gigs of RAM. As I said, it's got an SSD. And the graphics card is an AMD R5-340X, which has got 2 gig of DDR3 VRAM. Nothing to write home about, but for this budget, it's a decent low-profile card. You can get better low-profile cards, obviously, but it would be out of budget. So what I'll do in the next video is start up this system and do some benchmarks.